Hi guys, follow me on Instagram to never ever miss any of my crazy updates. Good morning everybody. Continuing from the whole Geneva trip. Right now I'm here in the kitchen cleaning grapes. Extremely expensive. Everything is there so expensive. Yesterday we got bananas. One banana for 60 rupees. Water for 75 rupees. But you can drink tap water as well. And the good thing is that everything is centrally heated. Really hot water comes out from here. So I'm just going to see that is hot. These are the world's most expensive grapes. गर्म पानी में रखने के बाद भी गर्म नहीं हुआ है. Plan is very simple now. We are going to अभी Gagan is actually booking tickets and all, hotels and trains and whatnot. Next stop is Zurich. We're going to Zurich right now for a major reason, to try something really exotic and special. You guys have to hold on to know which one it is, but जब तक ये vlog आएगा तब तक आपको ऑलरेडी पता चल गया होगा. कल डोमिनोज गए थे, पिज़्ज़ा बहुत अच्छा था, बट एलर्जी हो गई, खुजली बहुत ज़्यादा ही हो रही थी रात भर. एनीवेज, खाओगे आप लोग भी खाओगे? हैव सम ग्रेप्स. महंगे ग्रेप्स हैं, टेस्टी भी है. What is the value of a minute we realized today because we missed our train. हंस क्या रहे हो? इनके वजह से पता है, घर साफ कर रहे थे. एयरबीएनबी होस्ट को लेटर वेटर लिखा, चॉकलेट वॉकलेट दिया. मुझे ज़िंदगी में एक चॉकलेट नहीं दी. एयरबीएनबी होस्ट को अच्छे से चॉकलेट वॉकलेट सब देने के चक्कर में हम लोग ने ट्रेन मिस कर दी. एंड टिकट कितने का था? 88 Swiss francs, which is roughly 7,000 rupees. पानी में. Which was the cheapest ticket for the day. हाँ. अगर इसके अलावा कोई भी ट्रेन होती तो हमें सस्ता मिलता नहीं. अभी हम यहाँ से घुसे मतलब जिनीवा स्टेशन पे, और वहाँ से निकली हमारी ट्रेन जो जा रही है ज़ुरिक. और दिल में जो चोट लगी ना, बट फिर हम लोग थोड़ा रो धो के हमें नया टिकट मिल गया 12-15 की ट्रेन के लिए. रोने लग गया. हाँ, आंसू मतलब बहा दिए वहाँ पे. ऑलरेडी बारिश हो रही थी. बोल थे हमें मुंबई वाली फ्लडिंग सिचुएशन नहीं चाहिए, ये टिकट लो, निकलो यहाँ से. So now we are sitting on the platform, the train, and after 5 hours what we are going to sit here. We will not move because we have a big frequency of just forgetting the time and missing our trains.
So basically हमने ट्रेन मिस कर दी थी, और फिर फैसल भाई ने एश्योरेंस दिया उनको, मैं पूरी ट्रेन साफ करूँगा. तो उन्होंने
बुलशिट, ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ. तो
उन्होंने हमें फ्री टिकट दी, और ठीक है ढंग से साफ करना. मैंने भी किया थोड़ा थोड़ा. अब देखो पूरा गंदगी निकाल. वेरी नाइस. इसको भी क्लीन करना है प्लीज. डस्टबिन को क्लीनिंग रिक्वायर्ड है.
Just my style. Wanna be my best friend. Find some sunshine. Gotta bathe in that light. 'Cause it's in short supply. Wanna be my best friend.
इतनी खुशी कभी हुई है आपको? अब आपकी चड्डी धुल सकती है फाइनली.
खरीदनी नहीं पड़ेगी एक्स्ट्रा.
Just checked into the hotel here in Zurich. It's a nice and cozy place. It's kind of small, but it's still very usable because you have got this sort of a kitchen section here. You've got a oven, microwave, cooking के लिए सब कुछ है. इनफैक्ट आई थिंक चिमनी विमनी भी सब कुछ है. थोड़ा कॉम्पैक्ट है, कोजी, लेकिन 2 separate beds हैं. Now Gagan has actually gone to get washing soap to wash his clothes in his underwear, which I should not tell on camera. And I have just come to the room because मेरा पूरा windshield गीला हो गया. बारिश हो रही है काफ़ी बाहर. The good thing here is that बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम मिल जाता है somehow, because you don't spend so much time in traveling. Although we had a train journey of almost 3 hours, पता ही नहीं चला. ट्रेन goes so fast ना, 300 km/h के ऊपर स्पीड जा रही है ट्रेन की. It's really nice, and weather is somehow better compared to what it was in Geneva. Now I'm going to 6 बजे, काफ़ी टाइम है. इनफैक्ट we got some packed food for डिनर के लिए पैक्ड फूड लाए हैं यहाँ पे कहीं. तो मतलब इतनी सारी कवर्ड्स हैं यहाँ पे. स्टोरेज स्पेस इज अ लॉट, प्रैक्टिकलिटी इज ग्रेट. सो यू गॉट अ लॉट ऑफ फूड फॉर द नाइट, सो वी डोंट हैव टू गो आउट. कल सुबह जल्दी 10 बजे स्पेशल गाड़ी है, आप सब जानते हो. यू गाइज नो विच कार आई एम गोइंग टू बी ड्राइविंग टुमारो, बट आई एम सो एक्साइटेड. आई एम गोइंग टू सिट, प्रिपेयर, चार्ज एवरीथिंग एंड गेट रेडी. जल्दी सोता हूँ मैं, इंडिया टाइम के हिसाब से चलता हूँ. 9 बजे तक तो नींद आ जाती है. सुबह उठ जाता हूँ 5:30, बिकॉज इंस्टाग्राम पे पोस्ट जो करना पड़ता है. गुड मॉर्निंग गाइस. Here in Germany, we drove to Germany right now in this BMW M340i station wagon, and we've come to drive something very special. But unfortunately, बारिश बहुत हो रही है, गाड़ी rear wheel drive है, तो वाट है आज, वाट पूरा गीला हो गया हम लोग already.
Wanna be my best friend, best friend. Let's dive in the deep end, deep end, deep end. I'm so high.
What you can see behind me is, of course, the McLaren 720S, which we are going to be driving today. And oh my god, the car looks absolutely scintillating right here. You can't get your eyes off it. Let's start it. Listen to the sound.
Hi guys, I'm Alina Kacheka.
And we are going to be driving the McLaren 720S. Possibly she could be the anniversary, but we'll find that out later. So this McLaren is right here. Hi Gagan, what's up? All set to go?
Yes.
Excited?
Yes.
How excited? That excited that in the
Super
rain we
excited.
all are getting so wet right now here.
We don't care about the rain anymore.
Do we? Let's get into the McLaren. Let's get going. I will see you later in a bit. Come on, let's get driving, man. So two foreigners in Germany right now, and we are driving a McLaren 720. I'm making more noise in the car, unfortunately. और गगन भाई बताइए फीलिंग कैसी है?
अरे बहुत ही गजब, लेकिन बहुत नीचे बैठा हूँ यार, इकोनॉमिक्स के इशू है.
होता है, you know, जो ऊपर जाता है वो नीचे आता है, जो रोल्स रॉयस जाता है वो McLaren भी आता है.
ये भी बात सही है. 11 करोड़ से 4 करोड़ में आ गए.
अरे संभालो.
वो गड्ढा है भाई.
अरे गड्ढे में तो गाड़ी चली जाएगी. So right now the thing is we're driving the McLaren 720S. We have a loop of I think 100 kilometers. So Gagan is going to start doing his vlog first. And then I'm going to drive, and then we have Alina. Alina, she's going to join us, and we're going to go for a drive with her. Who she could be possibly anniversary. वो अब कैसे एक्सप्लेन करूँ, होता कौन है ये क्या. इसलिए इस व्लॉग में हम बहुत ही ज़्यादा हिंदी का वार्तालाप करेंगे. समझिए हमारे भावनाओं को समझिए. हिंदी का इतना वार्तालाप हमने कभी नहीं किया अपने खुद के देश में, लेकिन जब बाहर आते तो हिंदी की इंपॉर्टेंस हमें समझ आती है कि आराम से बिंदास हिंदी में बात करो. Anyways, right now it is raining. Rain has completely messed up the plans, man. I can feel every crevice on the road on my rear.
McLaren में बैठे वाइपर की बातें कर रहे हैं.
छोटे लोग छोटी पसंद. McLaren साइज में तो छोटी है.
You like fire my view. I could be your best friend if you're down to be mine. For a long, long time.
So right now I'm driving the McLaren 720S, and I can't even use 10 out of the almost 800 horsepower on the crank. It's super nervous because the road is wet, it's snowing right now, and this car is super capable, but because it's rear wheel drive, you can't use any of that power. Now is the time when I actually miss Audi's quattro system, and no, I never would have said such a thing, but today I'm saying it because I mean, I want to get onto the gas. I can't, because if I do, I'm going to be pointing to the other way, and it's super crazy. But this position of this car is like a Formula 1 car. You're sitting down, you're squatting down completely. The seat is from the 675 LT aftermarket seats or optional seats, whatever you call them. So they cannot be adjusted in terms of height. They can only be adjusted आगे पीछे. मतलब driving position की तो वाट लगी हुई है. And there's so many things to play around with this car. But the only thing I can play around with right now are of course the wipers. Cars coming from my head, fully covered in snow. Now we need to turn on the defogger as well. OMG. Oh god.
Just watching coming in, there's a bit of snow here, just slow. Snow behind.
Yes. रुकते हैं. Check that out.
लिफ्ट अप करो.
Try and do it quick and then we'll just...
पकड़ो, उसने क्या बोला मेरे को समझ नहीं आया.
So it's snowing right now. How do you feel knowing that we can't drive the car today? That's how cold it is. You're from Russia. How can you feel so cold?
It's still cold.
It's not cold. I mean, yes, it is not the weather for the McLaren to be driven, because the McLaren is here and there is so much snow. This is the right time for McLaren to get into SUVs, because Ferrari is getting into it. Lamborghini has obviously got into it. Aston has got into it. McLaren, we need an SUV, because how do we drive in such conditions? And the more I'm outside, the more it's snowing and the more I'm risking the camera. So it's time to get inside. Thing is, we went up to see how is the condition. It gets worse because there's more snow and more snow and more snow, and the conditions are so bad because the car is actually on summer tires, and Mark from Ultimate Drives is on winter tires on his 3 Series, so he can drive comfortably. और हमारे यहाँ पे फटी हुई है because it's an expensive car. It's more expensive than a 488 Pista as well as a Lamborghini Huracan. But when will we get to exploit the car actually? Not possible for today for sure. गगन ऐसे सोच रहा है यार, जिनीवा से लेके मोटर शो से लेके सभी चीज में हमारी किस्मत ही खराब है. मतलब
disappointing man.
I know, right?
Hey Europe, disappointing Europe.
I am going to drive this McLaren again, but in Dubai. दुबई में कुछ नो का कॉन्सेप्ट ही नहीं है. वहाँ पे गर्मी गर्मी और गर्मी है और मंडी.
You make it the next right, turn right.
Look at the atmosphere. It's a perfect atmosphere, perfect weather, perfect nature. Everything is perfect for not driving a car. But for driving a car, it is absolutely pathetic. यहाँ पे स्पीड लिमिट एटलीस्ट 100 किलोमीटर पर आवर है. पता है स्पीड लिमिट 100 बता रहे मुझे क्लस्टर में. यहाँ पे तो मैं मतलब ऑनेस्टली 20 भी मुश्किल से ही कर रहा हूँ. बिकॉज देखो ना, आगे देखो, कैमरा घुमाओ, देखो कितनी ज़्यादा स्नो है यार. फ्रीक. बाय द वे ऊपर लगा ना कैरियर is so that they can carry luggage. I saw it on a 911 as well. But it makes so much noise now when you're driving the car. Continuously आवाज़ आ रही है. हम लोग किस चीज़ की आवाज़ आ रही है?
Aerodynamic नहीं है कैरियर.
हाँ, एरोडायनामिक बिल्कुल नहीं. इनफैक्ट ये गाड़ी इतनी एरोडायनामिक है कि they have not put the air intakes outside, so it routes air via मतलब हेडलाइट के नीचे. वो एक्चुअली लगता है हेडलाइट डिजाइन, उसके नीचे there's this air intake which routes it through the door and all that stuff. Very clever engineering from McLaren. This actually shows McLaren is a car company which is present in Formula 1, of course. Lamborghini not in Formula 1. They don't have that Formula 1 tech or Formula 1 visionary thoughts and all those things. And गगन की पूरे टाइम फटी हुई है. जब एक कॉर्नर है,
It's all black ice. I know black
I know,
ice का
but-
concept. और
हम चला रहे हैं 45 किलोमीटर पर आवर की स्पीड पे.
हाँ,
And-
वो भाई रुक सकता है, हम नहीं रुक सकते हैं. दिक्कत ये और है. और वो सस्ती कार में, महंगी कार में.
देखो गाड़ी उनकी, अगर उन्हें ब्रेक मारा तो उनकी गलती.
If you wanna be mine, I wanna be your best friend. It's tough to be like.
Good news! Finally the sun has come out, but it's still raining and the sun is also out and it's very breezy as well, and the road is kind of wet. It's not going to dry. So vlog तो अभी करना ही है, तो अभी start करते हैं vlog करना after Madam Vinicius photo shoot. That's an RS, Audi RS going at full belt.
Say bye. Wanna be my best friend. I know this crazy world may never change, but we got to spread that good.
And off we go. Straight away, let me get into the gas and oh my god, it absolutely rolls. Okay. Hi. So now people have seen you. Now people want to know who you are. So if you could give us an introduction. She's Annabelle 3, by the way. Go for it.
Hi. What should I say? I'm a motorcycle rider.
She's a motorcycle rider. She does stunts in motorcycles, on motorcycles, and she rides at -1 degree, and then she gets cough, cold, and then she spreads some viruses around. That's what she does actually. Once it gets so dark somehow. Wait. All right, take 2. Please tell us who you are.
Hi, I'm Alina. I'm a motorcycle rider, so I go around the world and I test.
So how come
Super
you
bikes.
are here today, spoiling our McLaren day? I mean, you are the bad luck which caused all the rain and the snow and whatnot.
I'm actually in Switzerland to test the new Ducatis 2020 V4R Street Fighter. I don't know if you probably listen to
Yeah,
motorcycles.
all of them know what a Ducati Street Fighter is. These guys love motorcycles now, don't they? Only thing is so cold right now, that the only thing which is creating heat here is that McLaren 720S.
I love the cars as well. So.
She's actually been to India. When did you come to India?
Last year I've been to New Delhi, Mumbai, Goa, Agra. I actually really like it, and I'm coming back for sure.
She's coming back, and when she comes back, she's going to do a massive meetup, and she's going to do some stunts on the road as well, right?
Oh, for sure. There's not much traffic, but we will do it. I have lots of Indian followers, so I have to see them for sure. They keep asking me where I'm coming again.
So she stays in Canada, but she's from Russia, and right now she came and picked us up with Mark from Ultimate Drives in a BMW, which is a German car, in Switzerland, and then we drove to Germany, and now we're going to go back to Switzerland. So globalization has gone on a massive scale. But how did you get into this? Like, what really made you become a motorcyclist? She's kind of old, so she just started recently, 2 years back, right?
No, I ride for like 5 years, like full-time riding. But I learned riding when I was like 12. So it's still fine. Old.
Which is your favorite motorcycle?
Ducati V4R.
Other than Ducatis?
BMW S1000RR. That's the one I have.
Have you heard of Bajaj, Auto, Hero MotoCorp, TVS?
Yes.
Have you seen any of their motorcycles? Would you like to ride any of their motorcycles?
For sure, I would love to.
So when she's going to come to India, we're going to give her some of those motorcycles to ride, and so that she can also understand that how Indian motorcycle manufacturers are really kicking ass. Do you know BMW has collaborated with TVS from India to make motorcycles? The G310R and the G310 GS is actually made in India
Yeah,
for
I
the world.
actually saw it. Yeah, it's pretty cool. So I've never rode it, but this is on my list for sure.
And what is your favorite car?
What's my McLaren Senna.
McLaren Senna.
Actually no, my favorite car is a G-Wagon Bravos.
Oh, I thought
63.
she said Senna. I say you were not going to get a drive in the 720S today because it's not a Senna. Oh, there it rose to life. Okay, let's get going. It's super cold right now.
Yeah, it's pretty.
Yeah, and the funny thing is when she takes photos, now she removes her jacket. So
Pretending like it's a summer here, which is not.
my camera is completely wet.
Love anyway. Before you appeared, I was lost in my fear. Life was so unclear. Wanna be my best friend, and you were on my scene, radiating sunbeams, make life a daydream. Wanna be my I just wanna be your best friend, baby. Think there's a chance we could find our flow.
चलो चल क्या रहा है भैया? कच्छों के
तरीके से छेद किए जा रहे हैं,
टैग काटे जा रहे हैं ताकि खुजली ना हो.
दाढ़ देख रहे हो?
ये रखो आपका मोमेंटम.
आज कुछ इंडियन मिला है.
तो हम लोग टेक अवे करके लाए हैं इंडियन फूड रूम के अंदर बिकॉज दैट रेस्टोरेंट इज ओनली टेक अवे. सस्ता है, लगभग 800 रुपये में हमें छोले, राइस और दाल मिल गई. देखो आप.